moment herdsmen allegedly beat up a man to stupor and snatched his wife and his motorcycle. There is nothing these herdsmen cannot do. There is no evil that is not in their hand. They are ready to do anything. Anything, I'm telling you. They are ready to take life. They are ready to take life. They are ready to challenge anyone that comes their way. And that is why everyone needs to show up and dismiss them out of their community. You can imagine what they did to this man. You can imagine what they did to this man. After beating him to stupor, they have to take his wife away from him. One thing that herdsmen don't joke with is women. It's women. They don't joke with women. They can do anything to get a woman to themselves. Are they not? They are the ones snatching our women. They are the ones snatching our women. They don't only snatch, they also kill. They also kill. That's what they do. That's what they are good at doing. And that is why action needs to be taken on them. Once and for all, let them live and let the community be saved. Let the community be saved. Because it's too worrisome to be recording every day just because of these people. One will not have a single rest. Is it a crime to accommodate them? If it's a crime, someone should please speak up. Because to me, I've never saw it as a crime. It's a helping hand. But they will never accept that fact. They will never. Okay? Let's see what truly happened in the broadcast. Do you understand? Because this issue, I tell you, is a very pathetic one that of recent is seriously trending. Some suspected military herdsmen on Saturday, I tell you, reportedly beat one Ongugan to stupor and snatched his wife and motorcycle in Logo local government area of Benue State. Idoma Voice gathered that the incident happened at about 12:40 p.m. along Ayin Basham Road on Saturday. According to a local new medium, Citizen TV, who broke the news, Mr. Inyam, who was severely beaten, managed to escape to Awashwa village in Tombo Council Ward. It was learned from the accompanying photos that the victim is currently receiving treatment at an undisclosed health facility. Meanwhile, the whereabouts of the wife, who was said to have been kidnapped by the herdsmen, was unknown. As at the time of filing this report, the Benue State Police Command was yet to comment on the incident. My dear viewers, if nothing is done concerning the situation of these herdsmen, I tell you, you'll be surprised at what is going to be the outcome. You'll be very much surprised. So I am using this medium to plead from this very broadcast and channel that our government should not overlook the situation. Because when you look at it, it looks as if it's been overlooked and nothing is being done about that. It is wrong. Something needs to be done. These herdsmen need to be shown their place. They need to be shown their channel. They need to be told that they are visitors in this very place. You understand? All these are what Nnamdi Kanu has been lamenting and pleading, that let us do something concerning these people. These people doesn't worth living with. They don't worth living with. You give them a chance, they will use chances. I'm telling you, you give them a chance, they will use chances. So all these things are what one need to look at, not minding the person in power, the president or whatever is going to do at the end. Because considering the president is what is even making us to even get ourselves more into trouble with these herdsmen. So something needs to be done as fast as possible. We don't need to overlook anymore. We need to start taking action on the situation. All right? Okay, my dear viewers, based on this fact, I would like to hear from you. Please let me know what you equally have to say about this. Understand? Because keeping quiet, I tell you, has cost us a lot. You look at it now. You look at it. This is not just happening in this very community. It has happened in other communities. In other communities, do you know how many people have experienced herdsmen attack? Do you know? Do you know how many places have experienced the attack? Do you know how many people that has been killed by these same people? They are much. So one cannot continue to be listening to these people, and action need to be taken. Action need to be taken, and they need to be shown their place. You get it? So let us do something about it. Let us take our move and action and let them know where they belong, because I think they don't know where they belong. That is what is disturbing them. Okay, let me hear from you. If you're new on this channel, don't forget to please locate the red subscribe button as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.